Let's talk about minimalism, but not the kind where you live in an empty white room and eat only rice. I'm talking about minimalism as a financial strategy. Here's the crazy part. Two people can live in similar apartments. One makes $95,000 a year and is drowning in stress. The other makes just $52,000 but sleeps soundly at night with savings in the bank. How? It's not about the income. It's about lifestyle maintenance and those sneaky hidden costs. So let me share 10 simple money rules from a minimalist mindset. First, calculate cost per use. That $200 coat you wear every day? Cheaper than that $50 jacket you wore twice. Second, use the replacement test. Before you buy something new, ask if you'd actually replace it if it broke. Third, stop upgrading just because you're bored. Your phone from 2 years ago still works fine. Fourth, create friction for spending, like deleting saved credit cards, but make saving automatic. Fifth, count your possessions. Just noticing how many mugs or t-shirts you own can stop you from buying more. Sixth, rent or borrow before you buy. Seventh, watch out for the lifestyle multiplier. Buying a new couch might lead to buying a new rug, then new pillows, then a new coffee table. Eighth, define what enough means to you before you earn more money. Ninth, measure your wealth by optionality. Can you take a break from work? Can you say no? Not by how full your garage is. And 10th, practice cyclical decluttering. Go through your stuff every few months and sell or donate what you don't use. When you shift your focus from visible consumption to building financial margin, that breathing room, you break the cycle of insecurity and that emotional urge to spend. So here's the bottom line. No matter what you earn, you get to choose. Either you own your possessions or they own you.